Hi, I'm Two of Slices Concessions, and today we're going to show you how to clean your ice cream machine. We start off by emptying out all the product that's in your barrel. So with that, we get this bucket down here to catch it. We hit the wash cycle on both sides. From there, just empty it right out. Just like that. Generally, when you're rinsing, you want to be able to rinse everything out with a hopper and just rinse it out in front. So after you have the water up there running for a while, just make sure you empty it out. After rinsing out your machine the first time, we will run a cycle of just warm soapy water to get all the fats from the ice cream out. So have your warm soapy water ready. About 2-3 gallons will do, 1.5 each side.